Harley Group. Okay, the BAP of all bikes, BMW GS 1250. I'm seeing it for the first time. Harley Davidson and Harley Davidson. So just had my breakfast here at BZR, but the thing which I came for was the puri keema. Keema was not there, puri was available. One vada is 30 rupees, unnecessarily pricey. I only had idli and vada, nothing else. Okay, let's go another. It is showing 133 kilometer. We'll try to cover within 2 hours. It's currently 8:20. And temperature now it is 28 degrees Celsius. I can little bit feel it. Harley Davidson's. Banjara Hills itself is a very costliest group, like the costliest place. Just imagine everyone is having a Harley. Those are like 20 plus lakhs. First time I saw the 1250 GS in my life. It's very huge, man. What is there, man? So Srisailam is 133 kilometer. Oh man, why such roads came? We'll try to reach by 10:30. That's our goal. I don't know if in between traffic there and specifically the hair bands are there at the reservoir. Let's see. But if someone falls, the injury on this is more compared to the normal tarmac. What is this place, man? Looks good, man, looks good. Like one small demo. This is the dam, man. I'm confused. No, I think this was a small dam. It was very beautiful. The water slowly cascading through the roofs. Another 100 kilometers to go. Maintaining a good space. The range it is showing 198 kilometer, and till now I have done 136 kilometer. I can say 120 because already I had done 16 kilometer earlier. So far so good. Love the greenery, man, love the greenery. but very smooth. There were small humps, but very smooth. Like it's better to slow down in such small patch. Anyone can come from any time. Sorry, so full of ride update. Another 80 kilometer to go, and I'm getting enough nowhere. Just stopped here for a quick water break. It looks good, man. Let's start the ride. So officially the ghat area is started. You can see in the right, and this was the forest area, Amirabad forest area. So another 80 kilometer to go. Looks good, man. Oh, monkeys, I need to be careful. It's like one of the ghat areas. Slowly we are gaining altitude. I'm on my 4th gear. Extremely smooth. Like the low end and mid end torque is more, that's why it pulls like anything, but top end almost flat. So that is one small issue, or else bike is good for off-roading. Like if I change the tires and go. Monkeys, this is their area, man. We need to respect that. Seeing people are roaming freely, so not a issue. We'll go safely. So officially we entered the tiger reserve, and this will be single route only. Hope not to find any tiger on the road. Let's go safe and come back safe. And the route goes within the forest. And in such forest we can find so many other animals also. So like last time I went to like Bangalore to Kerala, so I've seen so many like animals like deers, elephants. So at night, I think after 6:30 this is closed, because anything can happen on this road, right? Animals will be moving, and that's why they close it. The route changes. So I'll make sure that whatever I have planned to view it in Srisailam, I'll see it and come back in this route only, because this is 220 kilometer I think, yeah, to my home. But that other route is towards I think Vizag colony something. If I come from that side, it is like almost 300, like extra 100 kilometers unnecessarily. And the good part is the roads are good, man. Roads are good. That's what is needed, because while I was going through Bangalore, Marumalai, some tiger reserve, don't remember. Roads are okay. In between some places roads are very bad and multiple humps and all unnecessarily, and something happens. Okay, these are the ghat area, the curves. Let's enjoy those curves, man. Ooh. So you can see there is a zigzag road. The roads are very good. Super. Without helmet, nothing. If they are going, I should not fear. Every biker's dream track, to ride their bike in these curves. Why, I don't know. But that's a dream, man. That's a dream. It feels very good. Mind it, we are still in Tiger Reserve. It update, only 24 kilometer left. This is the last day of doing that Visarjan. So they will go to some nearby pond and put it in that pond only, submerge it. Puja is done, Visarjan is done. So I think the camera is capturing my mobile phone. Now you can see a lot of curves. Yeah, the curves which man falls for. Already done 209 kilometers and 30 degrees Celsius the temperature is here. Range it is showing 102, so almost in a full tank I did 300. Like that's what this range it is showing, but while coming I will feel it, it's better. Why to take risk?